Welcome to another video on ALM and customer support. Today the topic is SAP Solution Manager Outlook. This is a part of our overall series where we explain application lifecycle management from SAP. Part 5 is SAP Solution Manager Roadmap. In the previous video we already covered important updates for SAP Solution Manager. Today I will give you an outlook and take you into the future of SAP Solution Manager, and following videos will focus on how SAP Solution Manager supports SAP S/4HANA and how we support requirements to deploy in an integrated approach. So let's go into the outlook of SAP Solution Manager and the roadmap. So the question is, where are we taking SAP Solution Manager? And our overall topic is that we continue to invest into SAP Solution Manager, also based on customer requirements. So on our roadmap, we have two key topics. Topic number one is the support of hybrid solutions. And with the support of hybrid solutions, we mean how do we support the integration between your on-premise solution and your cloud solutions from SAP, both in build and in run. So for example, how do we help our customers to implement a hybrid solution efficiently? How do we document this? How do we test it? But also in run, how do we monitor it? How do we monitor the integration points between on-premise solutions and cloud solutions? How do we make sure that the users have a great experience when working with the solution? This is a lot of data that we have here on this slide, but if you check the link below, you can dig deeper and you can find out how we support the hybrid solution that you are using. Let's move on to the next topic, customer influence. We decided that we would listen even more to our customers when it comes into investing into SAP Solution Manager. So customer influence is driving all of the investments that we do in SAP Solution Manager. And for this, we use SAP Customer Connection. This is the vehicle that will drive continuous innovation for SAP Solution Manager. And I need you to be engaged in Customer Connection, because as a customer, you tell us where we should invest to make Solution Manager better, to make Solution Manager fit your requirements. You share a list of improvements that you would like to see, and you share this list as part of the overall worldwide SAP customer community. You help us to prioritize the requests through voting, and you are working together with our development to make sure we really understand what you need so we can deliver to make your business run better. So how do you engage with us? Come and join and follow the SAP Solution Manager Customer Connection projects. Submit requests that are urgent for you. Vote for requests that make your life easier, and discuss requests both with other customers and with SAP. We don't have any restriction on the number of customers that can participate, so make this a priority for 2019. In 2018, we had great success with Customer Connection. We had projects for process management, test management, and change and release management. And we were really happy that we could deliver 86% of the improvement requests in process management. 100% is on the agenda for test management, and in change and release management we are also at 85%. So you see, customers really make an impact on our priorities, and you will see those deliveries soon. So how does it work in the future? In the future, we have customer connections planned for 2019, again for process management, test management, and change and release management. And as soon as you follow those projects, you get automatically notified when new requests come in. You get notified when we deliver the software. You get notified about all sorts of virtual meetings and collaboration activities that we schedule. So also check the link below the video, because here I have put in the link to the projects that you should follow to get automatically notified. Our schedule is already set for success for 2019. The kickoff will take place in January. This is where we will share the exact details and the criteria that are put in place for Customer Connection in Solution Manager in 2019. Then we'll open up for improvement requests to be submitted, and this is also the time when you vote for other customers' improvement requests. And this window will be open for roughly 6 to 8 weeks. So we close the window in end of February, beginning of March, and then our development colleagues will go ahead and select the requests that we can put into the delivery of the next release. We then have a selection call in May timeframe to share with you what requests made it into the list and which requests we are unable to fulfill at the moment. Remember, if the request doesn't make it this year, it will have another opportunity next year. And then towards the end of the year, we will schedule the delivery call once more. In addition to feedback that you share with us with respect to missing functionality, you also share with us pain that you experienced when working with Solution Manager. So you have been very open to us. Some of you have approached me directly at one of our conferences to share that support package stacks are a nightmare for you because of the high effort with the nodes that you need to implement after the support package stack. So you clearly stated that you were expecting us to be better in this and you expected to see change. Today, I'm here to tell you that we listened, we understood, and we made the change. So we have significantly cut down on the number of nodes that are required to be put in after a support package stack by leaving our package open for a longer time. So any correction that we detect before shipment will make it into the delivery. And if we are not happy with the number of nodes required, we will not ship because we will then open the package and make sure that the package has the right quality before it reaches your environment. The second improvement that we did is we list all central nodes in a central place so that you don't have to go and hunt for the right nodes, but that you immediately see what nodes are available, and based on what you're using in SAP Solution Manager, you can go ahead and select the nodes that are relevant to you. And finally, we also worked on the implementation, and we simplified the implementation of nodes. We have better tools now in place to check for cross-dependencies between nodes, and we have started to use the transport-based correction instructions, the so-called TCI. The TCI bundles a large number of nodes. In the last support package, it was over 100 nodes that were bundled in this TCI, and it is implemented into the system very similar to a transport, so no manual activities. But remember, our overall goal is to reduce the number of nodes that need to be put into the system. We then list what's left over so you can find it, and then we simplify the implementation. And all of this is coming together with SAP Solution Manager 7.2 Support Package Stack 8. With 8 SAP nodes are under control. So, summary, the future looks bright for SAP Solution Manager, and SAP Solution Manager Support Package Stack 8 is truly great. Because with 8, you can leverage what is in Customer Connection, and beyond 8, you can influence our priorities for 2019. So my recommendation for you would be to update to SAP Solution Manager 7.2 Support Package Stack 8 as early as possible, to stay connected also to the backbone, and to implement data protection and privacy in SAP Solution Manager. And certainly because of your feedback, we invested heavily in stabilizing SAP Solution Manager and in reducing the nodes, so you'll also benefit from a reduced effort to implement Support Package Stack 8. This concludes my overview of where we are taking SAP Solution Manager in the future. 2 things to remember, maybe 3. Number 1, we will continue to invest in the support of hybrid solutions, both for build and run. And we put you in the driver's seat to influence where SAP Solution Manager development will focus. But don't forget, 8 is great, so go for 8.